Welcome WBP Stars. My name is Kenny Friederichs from restaurant Latour in Grand Hotel Huis Ter Duin in Noordwijk, located in the Netherlands. We're gonna prepare the next dish for you. This one is based on land and sea. So we're gonna start with SNAILS, also from the Netherlands, and they are slowly cooked. We serve it a little bit lukewarm and we combine it with oyster. Oyster is also from our own country, from Zeeland, and it's from the Oesterij in Ierseke. We poach the oyster and we do it in its own shell at 70 degrees for 4 minutes. Then we cut them in tiny pieces, and from the trimmings we make a foamy sauce. But first I'm gonna add an XO sauce made from Dutch shrimps. So we first dry them, and then we make a sauce of it with a lot of spices, some onion, garlic, a little bit of dried mushroom to make it a very rich, umami-full sauce. This is an oil made of celery to give it a little bit of vegetable flavor, of course. Here we have the sauce. Now we play a little bit hide and seek. So then there's a little surprise on the table for the guests when they dig in. So WBP Stars, this is the next course. Dutch snail, slowly cooked with the oyster, foamy sauce made from the oyster, and an XO sauce made from Dutch shrimps. Enjoy, and hope to see you next time in restaurant Latour.
Welcome WBP Stars in restaurant Latour. My name is Stan Kerckhoffs, restaurant manager, head sommelier from restaurant Latour. In combination with the elegance dish from our chef, the Dutch snake and oyster, we serve a wine from Austria, Wachau. It's von der Vogelweide, two young winemakers, and they work biodynamic and sustainability, so you get more elegance, saltiness, wine in combination with also the saltiness of this dish. Main grape Grüner Veltliner, little bit Riesling and Müller-Thurgau.